Hi, I'm River.
I'm Eiley. We have been studying the jaguar.
Jaguars live in the western region of Mexico and several other places across Central and South America. Mexico is bordered by the United States, Guatemala, and Belize.
It was founded on September 1810. Jaguars have been living in Mexico since about 1799.
The reason that they are near threatened is because they are getting hunted for their beautiful fur coats. The fur is being made into jackets and other products.
Farmers are killing them because they hunt their cattle, and poachers kill them because they prize their fur.
They are also facing habitat loss to loggers and miners. The population of the Mexican jaguar has been decreasing, and it has lessened quite a bit.
This is a chart of how the population of jaguars has dropped. This shows the population of jaguars from 1960 to 2014.
The populations shown in the graph are very bad because the jaguars play a very important role in their ecosystem. They keep the population of their prey at a healthy level, but fortunately, the population has been rising since 2014. There are still about 4,800 jaguars living in the wild. Some body parts of the jaguar are similar to humans, such as elbows, triceps, biceps, rib cage, knee, and ankle. There are some parts that are obviously different as well. For example, they have a tail and whiskers.
The jaguar's prey consists of deer, peccary, crocodiles, snakes, monkeys,
Sloths, tapirs, frogs, fish, and anything that they can catch. This is why they are so important to the ecosystem. Here are some ways that you can help save the jaguars.
Save a rainforest. The rainforest is a jaguar's natural habitat. By donating to Save a Rainforest, you will be saving many jaguars.
Start a petition. If you can get enough people to sign your petition, you can send it to the government so that they will make the problem stop.
Do your research about jaguars and educate others. You can do your own research about jaguars, see where they live, what are threats to their survival, and more. Then educate others about them. Help them to learn, and hopefully they will want to save the jaguars too.
Some people involved with the jaguars are
poachers, loggers, miners that kill the jaguars, and people and organizations trying to save them, such as WWF, WCS, IFAW, Panthera, and National Geographic.
This is an example of how bad the ecosystem can change if the jaguars go extinct in the habitat they live in. It can become destroyed. This is another image of how bad deforestation can get. Look at how the ecosystem on the left went off the riverbank. The ecosystem is so healthy. And then on the right, you can see what it looks like when a top predator leaves a forest.
When people come here, they don't realize how the place is basically destroyed. After seeing how the ecosystem has changed over time, they realize it has been destroyed.
But they don't think of how it got destroyed. This couldn't have happened on its own, right? People came into this habitat, killed the top predator, and then when there are no more of them, they can't stop the population of their prey from rising. The prey eat all the plants and they fertilize too much.
Then the prey have a problem. The ecosystem is bad. Then the animals don't have enough to eat. And then some animals go to other habitats. Then the ecosystem won't have enough fertilizer. Then they can suffer. Then the ecosystem looks like the picture shown. If you have ever seen an image of a jaguar, notice how beautiful they look and how they are similar looking to cheetahs and leopards. But here's how you can tell them apart. Look at how their spots are different. Jaguars' spots look like roses. Leopards kind of have a wobbly circle shape. And cheetahs have perfect circles.
They can also be different sizes, and their heads are different shapes and sizes as well. After learning all about jaguars in Mexico, we hope that you want to save the jaguars too.